Please connect firstly to the BB20 and the Da2, all the parts. USB to your laptop, and this is power to the 12 and GND. And please open up and install a program. This one, validator, and this is the program for your USB. And check your device manager. Your USB serial port. And now please update. Browse the computer and find out this one I give you. It's very important you have to install this program to the USB, so let's check out your serial port. Remember the number which is connected to your validator Da2. That means it connects successfully. Okay. And now you have to make a move to change the purse to the serial port. Please find out the BB20. Here is a red button. Press for seconds until the light stop and release. It will press again. Now you can check here. It works. Yeah. This is your bill data. And this is for Chile. And you can change the speed here. This 5-bit data, 5 bits, and you can inhibit. You can close the bill. General option. You can change the speed, high and low between 50 and 100 and to 200. You can test. Remember, firstly is the program. This one I will give you. If you don't understand, you can use the team viewers to connect with me and I can teach you on the computer. Then the second is to change the purse to a serial and power. It's very easy. You can use Da2 to change your bill acceptor.